from Southern. That's not fine.
Guys, don't say location on video. Fuck that. They'll know where we live. Dox us. It's fine, it's fine. They'll know you can't film my house.
Trying to say I'm only enemy. Got a code with my dogs, can't get in between. I can give them life, no more energy.
Going D1, actually.
Yeah. I'm like, wow.
See this ball?
Yeah.
Watch it. See the pick, cameraman? Oh, oh, oh. Oh! Dude, I can't twist. Why are you so close? I have one leg. What you do? Fuck you.
Get on my head. Like for all
The red line, the red line.
I can tell.
And what I'm told us all off day. Now you down like a Chevrolet Black Horse game.
Yeah! What the fuck, I screamed? Bitch! I'm like, oh, freeze. And then I slam my fucking head to the wall. We're not getting Taco Bell.
There's the plastic cup on your fucking forehead with the
GG's. We're done for. I'm gonna be honest with you. The way it's looking already.
You're making me nervous.
I'm pretty nervous. Like, a lot of scary guys out here. A lot of scary characters.
We're like the 50
I don't think he's so tough.
You bring Yale.
Yeah, you're a little bitch.
It's like never been to medicine school in the world. Why would
Okay, this is also one of the number one murder capitals there too. So
Facts.
damn, so nice.
Oh. They got us lost. We got cookies though, so I don't give a fuck. They were really upset for some reason that I got us lost, but fuck it. We ballin'. Guys, you know they say it's a marathon, not a sprint. Oh shit. Well, these guys think they're good marathon runners. Nope, they're not keeping up with me. Fuck out of here.
really dumb.
Really? Okay.
What is it?
Really good. Yeah, guys, we got some fucking cookies, so.
Oh, good
Go to
cookies.
Snickerdoodle.
It's fam. I'll kill myself.
Well, guys, you see what's
If we
going
get out of here
on.
before 1, I'm gonna be the happiest person alive. Okay, you're delusional.
If we start at 10:30.
It took us 2.5 hours to take it down.
We start at 10:30, right?
So I'm thinking it'll take an extra hour. I'm thinking it'll take 3.5
yeah.
hours.
So if it's 1:30, we start at 10:30. We 1.
Can you do math?
1 o'clock. 11, 12, 1. Boom.
Are you actually all right? No, wait.
Thank you.
Wait, hang on. You said 3.5 hours from.
No, I said 3. You said 3.5.
From 10:30. Yeah,
10:30, 11:30, 12:30.
Yeah, it's 1. All right. Not a car guy. However, he is a car guy. So that's crazy. So I promise it's not only car videos, guys.
That's super cap, guys.
See? Oh.
Hey, yo, does anybody live in? I live less than 30 meters from Daniel.
That's not cars. Oh, yeah, talk a lot.
I'll give you, I swear to God, I will give you $5 if that truck is unlocked. I mean, locked. Yeah. You have chocolate on your face.
Guys, do I have chocolate on my face? Josh, check it out, guys. Check it out, Josh. No,
How you pull up on that bitch? We get the guap and we kick. Shawty gon' sell like a tick. Diamond, they look like a dish. I put a lean in the mist.